Listen. Practice. Speak. Practice makes you perfect.
Can you discuss your experience with strategic vendor management? In my previous role, I developed and maintained strategic vendor relationships, negotiated contracts and service agreements, monitored vendor performance and compliance, resolved issues and conflicts, and optimized vendor partnerships to drive value, innovation, and cost savings for the organization. What strategies do you use to promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace? I promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace by fostering a culture of respect and acceptance, implementing diversity and inclusion initiatives and programs, providing training and awareness on unconscious bias and cultural competence, ensuring equitable policies and practices, and actively recruiting and advancing diverse talent across all levels of the organization. Describe a time when you successfully implemented a change management initiative. One successful change management initiative I led involved implementing a new technology platform, where I conducted stakeholder analysis and engagement, communicated the benefits and rationale for the change, provided training and support for adoption, and monitored progress and feedback to ensure successful implementation and user acceptance. How do you approach strategic cost management and optimization? I approach strategic cost management and optimization by conducting thorough cost analysis and benchmarking, identifying cost drivers and inefficiencies, implementing cost-saving initiatives and process improvements, negotiating favorable contracts and pricing with vendors, and monitoring and controlling expenses to achieve financial objectives and maximize profitability. Can you discuss your experience with strategic mergers and acquisitions, M&A? In my previous role, I was involved in strategic mergers and acquisitions, M&A, activities, including due diligence, valuation, negotiation, and integration planning, to drive growth, expand market reach, and capitalize on synergies and opportunities for strategic alignment and value creation. What strategies do you use to promote ethical behavior and integrity in the workplace? I promote ethical behavior and integrity in the workplace by setting clear expectations and standards of conduct, providing ethics training and awareness, fostering a culture of accountability and transparency, encouraging reporting of unethical behavior or concerns, and enforcing ethical policies and codes of conduct consistently and fairly. Describe a time when you had to lead a team through a period of rapid growth or expansion. When leading a team through a period of rapid growth or expansion, I provided clear direction and support, managed resource allocation and capacity planning, communicated effectively about changes and expectations, and fostered agility and adaptability to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities for success. How do you approach strategic workforce development and succession planning? I approach strategic workforce development and succession planning by identifying key talent and leadership potential, providing opportunities for skill development and career advancement, creating succession plans and talent pipelines, and aligning workforce development strategies with long-term organizational goals and priorities. What strategies do you use to promote innovation and creativity in the workplace? I promote innovation and creativity in the workplace by encouraging experimentation and risk-taking, providing resources and support for idea generation and implementation, creating cross-functional teams and collaboration opportunities, recognizing and rewarding innovative thinking and contributions, and fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. How do you approach strategic marketing planning and execution? I approach strategic marketing planning and execution by conducting market research and analysis, identifying target markets and segments, defining value propositions and messaging, developing integrated marketing strategies and campaigns, implementing multi-channel marketing tactics, and measuring and analyzing performance to optimize ROI and achieve marketing objectives. Can you discuss your experience with strategic organizational restructuring? In my previous role, I led strategic organizational restructuring initiatives to streamline operations, optimize resources, and enhance agility and competitiveness, involving redefining roles and responsibilities, realigning reporting structures, and communicating changes effectively to stakeholders to ensure alignment and support for transformational change. What strategies do you use to promote employee engagement and retention? I promote employee engagement and retention by fostering a positive work culture and environment, providing opportunities for meaningful work and professional development, recognizing and rewarding achievements and contributions, soliciting feedback and addressing concerns proactively, and promoting work-life balance and wellness initiatives to support employee well-being and satisfaction. Describe a time when you successfully led a cross-functional team. One successful instance of leading a cross-functional team involved launching a new product, where I collaborated with departments such as product development, marketing, sales, and operations to ensure alignment of goals, effective communication, and coordinated execution, resulting in a successful product launch and market penetration. How do you approach strategic talent retention and succession planning?